go. Hello. It's been a long time. I took off all the hair off the top of my head and put it on the bottom, and I look a little bit more homeless now. I work at a shop, and I bought another car. So if you guys were wondering what happened to the Miata, I sold that to one of my friends. You'll still see it, but this is what I bought for the money. And no, I did not buy this for $2,000. I put $2,000 down payment on it, but I sold my Miata for this.
Wow. With the red stitching.
Yeah, 2014 BRZ Limited in manual. I know you guys always roasted me about having an automatic Outback, but this is manual, as it should be. Let's walk around it.
First manual Subi.
Yeah, I now have 2 Subarus. We still have the Outback. The transmission is broken, but I still have it, and it's getting fixed. That'll be back. Don't worry about that. So if you guys remember the old Gymkhana pipes from my Outback, well, they have been repurposed, and one of them is in my garage, and the other one's on the BRZ. Yeah.
Let's get a flashlight on there, yeah. Oh, here you go. Surround lighting. See that Crawford. That's your old Gymkhana tip, huh?
Yeah, that is my old Gymkhana tip. Same one that I had on the Outback for years. It's now on the BRZ.
Wow, that's perfect.
It's just, I don't know what exhaust it has. It's crack pipe fucking exhaust. Crackhead welds, but I chopped off the end of the pipe that was just a raw steel pipe, and I put the Gymkhana pipe on there. That's the only mod I've done to it since I bought it. Everything else came with the car, so it's on some kind of, it's lowered somehow.
Springs.
I can't tell you guys if it's lowered from coilovers or if it's lowered from spring. It's lowered from springs. I think it's springs, but I haven't taken the wheels off yet to check. And I think that's it. It's stock other than that. Oh, and it has one of those stupid drift button e-brakes, but
All right.
yeah. Other than that, it's pretty much stock.
Good car for the channel. One of many that we'll have to reveal to you guys.
Yeah, we're probably all gonna end up having one of these in a few months. I have plans for it.
What are we about to do?
We're about to do some beanbag smackaroons.
We're about to cruise this road out in the boonies that we usually go to, just to test cars.
It's a light cruise.
Yeah, it's a light road. We're not gonna beat it up too much.
Work in the morning.
Yeah, you might see me kick out the rear end on this, but I'm not gonna try to. I just bought it, so I'm
keep an
still
eye
trying
out
to get
for
used to
that.
it. Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to it. I'm not gonna fucking do the pedal dance and try to drive it on a public road. So I'll probably put it in sport
You see
mode.
Bryan just like first drive.
I mean, I've skidded it a few times already. It's really easy to drift this thing, but yeah, I got parts coming in. So
It's
Gonna be tasty.
it's got the requisite taillight condensation that all stock BRZ taillights come to eventually.
beautiful.
So I already ordered a set of Valentis, so those will be coming in on the 14th. This is my birthday present to myself. This is my 25th birthday present to myself. I bought this for myself for that. So,
Well deserved.
but yeah,
And it fits you so well.
yeah. Oh, there's one other mod that
It's
I
like
did.
a tiny
There's one other
Outback.
mod that I did.
What?
Antenna delete. Looks better now without the needle dick antenna on it. So it's the limited edition, so at least it has a nice interior. It's not analog everything inside, so that's nice. It got like power windows and infotainment. I know somebody's gonna comment on the fact that we're all maskless.
Except me.
Yeah, except him.
Ours been wearing
Ours
masks.
been ahead of
Yeah,
us.
he's been ahead of the game on masks. This fool been wearing masks for like 5 years.
Check the last
So
video. We
yeah.
filmed that before the virus.
No, we filmed that after the virus, didn't we? I don't remember.
No, I think
But
that was before.
this is during pandemic, and if you're wondering why we're all maskless, I don't know.
all have it.
We're all we all don't have it. We all go to work every day anyways. So if
Or we
we're
all
fucked, we're
have it.
fucked. Yeah.
Or we made a pact. So if one of us gets it, we all get it.
Chasing this car. I think this is gonna be the camera car for the night.
Low boost. We're on the lowest boost setting right now.
Low boosty boys.
And my new downpipe.
I'm on the lowest boost setting on my BRZ too. Yeah,
Low
0.
boost.
That's the
Low boost gang.
I'm on such low boost that there's no boost on it at all. There's
That's
no-
perfect. Oh my god.
have slowed down.
Nah, we were doing some pretty intense shit, bro.
This car is so for you, it's insane. Like this thing just has you in your element.
Yeah, I was really focused.
Big time.
How much of that did you get on footage? I didn't do much drifting, but I did.
Oh, dude.
I started when we entered the
It was hard.
driving road.
It was hard because you were sending it so hard. Yeah, that's him.
Let's just post up right here.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I mean, it has like really shitty tires, so I wasn't getting much grip. I mean,
that's true. He is on shitty tires.
Yeah, you were outperforming me. So
I got Kumo, like some like cheap ass Kumos on there.
Rubbing and overheating.
It's got Michelin Pilot AS3s in the front, the same one that I did a review on back in the day.
Oh hell yeah!
But it's got some shitty ass Kumos on the back. So I was kicking it out on the rear end a little bit, but like it was just
for what you had, you were just getting it. Like I was rubbing a lot though. Like every corner, I had to slow down.
that second half, man, this car is just. It's doing it in that second half.
You guys are just gone. I was just like, oh no, is this what every initially approved Race 86?
All right, let's go to the park and rides before the cops show up.
Oh yeah. All right.
Hey, listen, Chase. Your vibes are really off right now, dog. I just don't feel safe around you right now.
Fuck, bro. You know what? You're fucking. You know what? Suck a dick.
All right.
Oh, the tow truck's here.
Alright, guys. That concludes tonight's tailgate drive. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.